Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going to do something we've not done for quite some time, the Millennium Falcon. Right in front of you, you see 62. Let's have a quick look through that. And these are what we're going to do. We're building onto the top structure and putting up the some more on the upper frame, as you can see right there. So let's do that. So we're going to put these two together, and it needs to be like so, and putting two of those golden screws right through right there, and we're going to be putting it right there, as you can see, all the way down, connecting those two as well. But let's put this on first. So we're going to put it right there and put the frame together here as well with the two black screws, but we're going to start with the we're going to start with the black ones. That one's in. Now we need to get that one out, and that needs to come up. So a bit of oil on the tip of it because it's screwing into metal right there, black screw, and then we're going to put the long golden screws in here to finish that one off. You're not seeing that at the moment, but believe you me, I'm screwing it in. They've not made this easy. We should have put this on later, but you can always choose to not put that on at all. And then we're going to put the larger one like so. Yeah, like so. Always with the lettering up and not the other way as I just did. I did not want to go. Come on. And remember, with the numbering up, and we're putting it onto this one here, and putting 1, 2, 3 three of those black screws in. I've done something wrong. Let's take this one off just for the moment because I need to get that one under. That one there needs to be, there it is. It just slotted in because there's a little slot in there so it stays in properly. That's number 2, and one more to go. There we go. And I think that is this next stage done. So number 62 is done. We're going to 63, which I have right. You can't see the number on this one, but believe you me, it's 63. Let's have a quick look in the magazine, as you can see right there. Number 63. Frame parts, these we are not using, but those two we are, and that's what we're starting with again. And we're putting those two together, these two, and we all know how this works. So let's just get it on the opposite side of what you see right there. So from that side and not the other way around. So I need to get my screw box out because I only have one of these long ones out. Alright, let's put this one in. Let's get those black screws out. It looked like something completely different, but I think I've got it. Remember that has to go into that little slot that is there. There we go, that's in. One here, 2 there, and one more there. One there, and the second one here. And it's only, both of them only have 2 screws. That one's in as well. Then we put that second one out. Remember, always with the numbers up. And that's that next stage done as well, I think. Yep. Let's go to 64 and see what's going on there. Ooh, let me show you the magazine. As you can see, number 64. The walkie-talkie. More or less from a Gillette, as you can see there. We've got that panel, but that's already in. And this is what we're doing. We're putting in another panel here. And we've got 2 panels though. And we're putting this panel in. All right, let's get those out. So we're going to start with the lower one, because that's the easiest to put in quickly. Remember, numbers up. And that one has to be in position before we put that on. This one is not wanting to play ball. All right, let's see if we can get it into the other parts, in the lower part. And sorry about the noise. So I'm just going to say I'm going to put this one in now, and then we wait until it's in. Oh, that's not fighting me at all. We're going to that one. There we go. Well, in this build, it's quite obvious. These are all the same black screws that you see right there. And there's only just a few screws that we are using. And that's this little thing that you those are all the screws that we're using. And they all come back into different parts. This is the next part. And as you can see, there's no number on this side, so I've got it the wrong way around. And then we're going to put it together like so. And I think there are little plates coming in here, and this is where we put that one in. So we're going to put this one, that one to the side for a moment, and this one is what we're going to put right there. With the black screws again. That one's on, so we put that one on there with 3 screws. Then we're going to get the big frame out. Remember, numbers up. And this one is going to go in very easy. Now, right here, we're going to put 2 blocks. One block is now connected. A 2-holes connector, they're calling it, so, which is the accurate description of what it really is. So, and there we go. That's the last one of those panels in. Then we're going to 65, which is the last one, and then we're going back to 63 to put that oh, you can't see that, the panel that we didn't put together. Here we go. 65. These and that panel we're putting aside, and that is what we're doing. We're just putting the last panels in that we have right here. So we're getting that one, those 2, if you remember what I always say, always from the opposite side to that. And then 2 of those beautiful long golden screws. And they're saying to loosen up this one a little bit. Well, that's obvious, because otherwise that thing won't come under. That's what we had the last time as well. So let's put 2 black ones in there with a little bit of oil on the tip, but I seem the screw holes are lined up properly, so it's not really necessary, because the thread is in there properly as well. Then we're going to put 2 more of those long ones in. You're going to have to believe me that they went in, because it's a bit of an awkward angle. I hope I have a camera angle to show you what I'm doing, but I think I do. So we put that one in, and we put those 2 in, so that we have that one there. All right, we're getting that one out. Remember, numbers up. I'll put that one in already. Then we're putting this one in here. You can see where that is going into. 2-hole connector, that was what we're 2-holes connector. And then that second one, and you have to lift, I have to lift up that frame, and it all depends on a little bit how the movement is of that thing. All right, we're putting this one in. Remember, numbers up, as I always say. So that one is connected as well. We tighten that one up, and then we put another one in that point. That completes the assembly of this stage, but we're going to do that part still. And that is the last thing we do in this stage, so we don't need screws for that. So this is stage 93. These four parts and one clear. We're putting that one in, and I don't think we need glue, but I'm going to put a little bit on the other side here. And as you can see, that's my favorite. Welds the parts together. First part we're getting out is that one, which is what they call number 1. All right, it's going in that one. Wow. It's going from that hole to that hole. And where's this one? I think this will work. So we're going to put a bit of glue in both holes. And then we're going to put that one into the top and this one right there. So we have that going from that point to that point. Did I get the wrong one? Yeah, I did. That is not signed in properly. We need that one. Let's do a test fit. Yep. Then put some filler in there. That one's not going in like that because I cut off the connector. So I will have to do that with a little bit of the other glue. Super glue is the one that I was looking for. So I need to hold that a little bit longer than normal. And that's in like so. The applicator is empty. We put that away. We put that away because we don't need it. So that is that whole thing done as well. And that finishes off all these stages that we've just done. Well, that was that. Millennium Falcon not done for quite some time, but we've finished off little things, and we've finished off that as well. And be careful with these. Don't cut them off wrongly, because I just cut that one too short, so we don't have the little pin that can go into that hole there. But super glue helped out, and we've got that together. So that is it for these few stages. I will do some more, but you'll see that later, and I hope you will join me then, or on any of my other builds. May it be the ones in the back, may it be the ones on my channel. Hope to see you there. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe and pass it on. Almost forgot that one. And watch it all the way to the end. That helps me very much with my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye bye.